Hi guys, so in this video we will see how to start our server in Node and Express. So let's get started. So what I will do, I will just move on to the terminal and select our terminal like git bash or PowerShell, whatever you like. I prefer git bash. So what I will do, I will just make our package.json file by typing this command npm init y. So if you have not watched that video, our first video in which I have mentioned all the details about package.json file and how to create it, so I will paste down the description link in our description, so you can watch that from there. Okay, so I will move on for now. So what we have to do now is install Express. So how to install that? We will select npm package npm I express or npm install express, and we will install nodemon also. So what nodemon do is, nodemon help us to restart our app frequently without our interference. So it automatically restarts our app whenever any sort of changes will happen, but this is only for development phase, and in production mode we don't use nodemon. Okay, so we will move on to all the details in our playlist, so don't worry as of now. So our express and nodemon have been installed. We will move on to our package.json file, and there we have to type in this command, how to start our server index.js file, whatever you like. So I will just type nodemon server.js. You can also type node server.js, but the problem with this is you have to frequently type node start server, because it does not automatically restart the server whenever any sort of changes happens. So for that we prefer nodemon. Okay, and there is one more command, is type CommonJS. So as of now I am using CommonJS module system. We will also see module based export system also in this video, but for now I am just moving on to CommonJS. So what we have to do is select Express from Express, and we will select this instance of Express, and we will select the get request, and here a callback and request and response. Why this is important? So I recommend you to practice it, because in further videos I will start posting about how to create up APIs as well. So this is the basic step to start your server and put on the get request. So what I will do, I will just type in server is running at, let's say, port number 4000, and here we just have to write app.listen, and our port number is 4000, and here a simple callback, and I will just type in console.log server is running at port number 4000. So our work is done. Let's open our terminal and type in the command npm start. So there you can see our server is running at port number 4000. So let's move on to our browser. We will type in localhost 4000. So here, congrats guys, you have created your first get request and you have started your server. So you can see server is running at port number 4000. So this was the basic GET request. So in further videos in our playlist I will post more videos about how to create a post request, patch request and delete request. So we will perform CRUD operations as well. So there you can see and how easily we have started our server. So one thing I want to do also is I will just tell you guys how to start a server in module based exports. Okay, so what I will do, I will just type on this command import express from express. So here also the same thing will be done, a callback function, request and response, and we will send the response server is running fine and app.listen, and our port number will be, let's say, 5000, and we will console this. So guys, this was the basic stuff, like I have typed on the port number here, but in further videos we will see how to do that in our .env file. So what we will do, we will just type on the port number in our .env file and we will check that port number from .env file. So let's get this server start. nodejs. So one error has come. So this was the deliberately done mistake by me, because I wanted to tell you guys how to create up our package.json for module based exports or our common.js based exports. Okay, so if you want to import your node project in your common.js module system, so what you have to do, you have to type on the command type common.js module system, or if you want to do in module based exports, so then you have to select this module. Okay, so now we will change it to index.js and move on to our server. Now this will run. So you see our server is running at 5000. Let's check in our browser. Server is running fine. So I hope you have got all the points I have mentioned in this video. So keep practicing guys, and bookmark this playlist for further videos. We will keep on posting all the stuff necessary for Munstack tutorials. Thanks for watching guys.